To connect to JetBlue Wi-Fi, start by ensuring your device is in airplane mode. Then enable Wi-Fi and select the JetBlue Wi-Fi network. Once connected, open a web browser and navigate to the Wi-Fi portal page, where you will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you are a True Blue member, you can log in with your existing credentials to access free Wi-Fi on certain flights. Non-members can purchase a Wi-Fi pass, which can be done using a credit card or other accepted payment methods. After logging in or purchasing a pass, you will be redirected to the Wi-Fi homepage, where you can browse the internet, check email, or stream content from various partners such as Amazon Video, Hulu, and more. Be sure to review the terms of service and data usage policies to ensure you understand any limitations or restrictions. To get the most out of JetBlue Wi-Fi, consider downloading the JetBlue app before your flight, which can help you stay connected and access exclusive content. Additionally, be mindful of data-intensive activities, such as streaming video, as they may impact the performance of the Wi-Fi network. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily connect to and use JetBlue in-flight Wi-Fi, making your travel experience more enjoyable and productive. Remember to always follow the instructions provided by the flight attendants and to be respectful of other passengers when using electronic devices during the flight.